What's up, guys? Welcome back to an episode of Dirt Exhibition. And in today's video, we are getting back to what it is that we do here at the shop. We are finally tackling the suspension for the South Killingly, Connecticut Fire Department's side-by-side. Guys, when this thing came in, it was severely blown out in the back. The shocks and the suspension just absolutely cannot handle the weight of all of their emergency equipment in the back of the machine right there. Typically, that machine is carrying about 1,000 pounds. That's equipment, that is water in the tank and everything else like that. It's obviously equipped with a water suppression system, so that is going to be heavy when the tank is filled. So guys, if you don't know, now you do. Walker Evans makes shocks specifically for these fire rigs, and they're meant to handle the weight of the water suppression system and all the equipment that these guys carry. So we went ahead, hit up Walker Evans, told them exactly what we need to hook up the fire department with some good suspension. And yeah, let's take a look and show you what they're all about. All right, guys, here we have it. A little bit of an unboxing video for you. This one is completely unwrapped, and look how beautiful that is. Let's put this right here.
One time for the hometown, I got love for it, it's real. Yeah. 2 times for the haters, man, cause I notice how this shit feel. 3 times for my family, dog, cause this shit done paid our bills. And I get 4 times my net worth from a year ago with no deals. Did it all by myself, I don't need nothing. Dropped 100 songs, I'ma keep coming. Remember times they wouldn't reply, now they all hit me like they need something. Labels hit me, now they see something, but I told them all, you ain't seen nothing. I've been putting all the work in, if you ain't sawing with me, you ain't read nothing. How it is, I don't make the calls. Gas it up, shit about to blow, make $1 million. I got 1 million flows, I'm 1 million shit with 1 million goals. Time ticking, not here, dog. I don't say it, but I seen it all. Seen the post and I seen the hate. So when it hit me now, I ignore the calls. No time for it, just being honest. Way back, I said I got it. Same guy, same shit, nothing changed. Set the pockets, money came, I got the profits. Bet it all, put it on us. In the past, I said I'm next, but I'm here now. I was being modest.
So guys, that is it. The Ranger is done. Shocks are in, rides good, feels good. Got rid of that sag. We got about, like we said, 3.5 inches. 3.5 inches in the back of it. Got rid of the sag. Again, we're dealing with 1,000 pounds in the back of this Ranger, in the back of a 2-seater Ranger, which is really, really heavy. So yeah, I'm hoping that the fire guys are able to take this thing out, enjoy it. Well, not really enjoy it, but respond to their emergencies and take care of what they need to take care of. All right, we're always here to back the our boys, the fire department, boys in blue, that kind of thing. So guys, if you need anything, need any work, service, hit us up. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. We'll see you.